What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And the holiday season is upon us. That time of year that we all love to have friends and family over to celebrate, to spend time together, and really just enjoy each other's company.
I know, I feel like, even though we're traveling, we love to entertain and we're all about those like impromptu get-togethers, but also means you sort of need to have a little bit of food stashed and a little preparation plan.
Yes, so today we're going to show you how we take care of having some friends over and sharing wonderful food with them. I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy griddle snacks to have on hand and ready to go when you have company.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
All right, we got 3 easy snacks to make today. We got a little something for everybody. The first one that we're gonna do is fruit kebabs. So we've got an assortment of cut up fruits here, and I've got my kebab skewers, so I'm just going to create a rainbow of fruit chunks on the skewers here before we get them on the griddle. We are set to medium-low heat. I'm gonna get just a little bit of oil down on the griddle, and we're just gonna get our fruit skewers down like this. While our fruit is going, we're gonna get our second snack down on the other side. These are what I like to call summer sausage cracker stackers. So I've got some quartered summer sausage here. Just gonna lay these pieces out on the griddle. And I got slices of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm just gonna lay right on top of each piece. And if you know us here at Destination Delicious, you know we like it hot. So for some of these, I'm going to put a jalapeno on. But we've got some kids that we like to serve the snacks to as well. So I'm not gonna put all of them on there. While our summer sausages are going, I'm going to give our fruit skewers a turn. There we go. We get a nice little griddle char on there. And then I'm going to shut the hood so we can trap some of that heat and get that cheese nice and melted. All right, our cracker stackers are coming along just great on the griddle, so I'm going to get the cracker part out and ready to go. And I'm using good old Ritz crackers. Oh yeah, look at all the cheese skirts happening right here.
Oh my gosh, that's actually like my favorite part.
It's so good. Watch this.
Triple stack?
Boom.
Look at you go. All right, folks, we got a pro here.
All right, so on the middle of our board here, we're going to put our griddled fruit skewers. And for another layer of flavor on the cracker stackers, we're going to add a little bit of barbecue sauce to some of them, because I know some of us
don't love it.
Don't love barbecue sauce. Delicate pour. Get just the right amount on there. And then for our fruit skewers, I've got some tahini. And the first time I had fruit with tahini on it was in California on the Santa Monica Pier from one of the vendors there. And I had never had tahini before. It's so good. It's so good. And now it's time to get our third snack on the griddle. Our third snack in today's trio is going to be a sweet and spicy bacon. To spice up the bacon, we're going to throw some brown sugar on it. Like I said, this is going to be a sweet and spicy bacon. So this is the sweet. And then for the spicy, we're doing some cayenne pepper. Time to flip our bacon. We're coming down the home stretch here. And then we're just going to sprinkle the other side with a little bit more brown sugar and cayenne pepper. All right, to finish our presentation, we'll just put some of our bacon slices down here on the board. 3 easy snacks They're quick and easy, and if you have a bigger griddle, we have a 22-inch. If you have a 36, you could get all 3 of these on there at the same time with no problem. But even with the 22, everything moved pretty quickly, and now we're ready to
dive in and try these.
Give these a try.
Yep.
I'm gonna go cracker stacker first.
All right, I'm gonna do some fruit.
Okay.
Some griddled fruit.
I'm gonna go full on jalapeno and barbecue.
The tahini for sure on the fruit.
I
Amazing.
told you, it's fantastic. That's summer sausage and cheese. The cheese skirt getting a little crispy.
I love how the cheese skirt looks.
Yep.
Really, really awesome.
All right, I'm gonna try. If you've never griddled fruit before, I highly recommend it because the heat softens the fruit a little bit and brings a lot of the sweetness and the juices out of it. But it also gives just a little bit of char on there. And then the tahini just ramps it up.
Well done. Well done. You know I love the sweet, so that sweetness, and then you bring that in and just like well-rounded snack. Like you said, it's really something for everyone. Kids, adults, friends, super easy and quick.
Yep, make a griddle full of it and have an afternoon, and it's a fantastic way for appetizers or just sitting around the fire. We always appreciate you tuning in. Thank you for joining us throughout the year. We hope you are having a wonderful holiday season wherever you are. Visit Blackstone Products, subscribe to the YouTube channel, check out all the videos, you know the deal. We thank you for watching. Have a wonderful holiday season. This is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.